Hi, everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Melika Gerami, and today I'm going to represent my dashboard, my Power BI dashboard, which is about cryptocurrencies trading from 2016 to 2020 that I get it from Kaggle.com. So you may all heard about cryptocurrencies recently, and if not, you may probably heard about Bitcoin, which is the most famous cryptocurrency. In the last few years, a craze for cryptocurrencies has gripped the world, and these digital coins are starting to receive mainstream popularity. Some people believe that they are the future of commerce and personal finance, while others regard them as nothing more than high-risk trading assets. Despite a lot of skepticism, it appears as though cryptos are here to stay and will inevitably play a part in shaping what money will be in the future. The following dataset provides the trading volume and price for different cryptos in US dollar. We can use the dataset to show the market cap of these assets and to do a comparison for their prices before and after COVID, and also compare them with the most famous one, which is Bitcoin. There might be some terms that you may not be familiar with. One of them is volume, which is the number of units traded during a given time. And also another one is market cap, which is the total value of the cryptocurrencies. Market cap is calculated if you add up every available coin at the current price. Here is my data dictionary. So I have my main data set, which has the crypto name, crypto type, market cap, the price, trade date, and of course, I have the trade table, the date table, because I'm using the trade date for every coin. I use 4 different KPIs, which are the year-over-year market cap, average price, year-over-year price, and year-over-year volume. And you can see the DAX formulas that I have used for each of these KPIs. Here's a screenshot of my dashboard. On the left side, you can see 4 KPIs that I have used, and I'm also showing the market cap. Although it's not a KPI, but when you're talking about cryptocurrencies, market cap is something so important that you need to show. I'm using 4 different charts. On the left top chart, I'm using the column and the line chart, in which the columns are presenting the market cap, and the lines are showing year-over-year market cap, year-over-year price, and year-over-year volume for each year. On the left bottom chart, I'm showing the year-over-year price by industry in the scatter plot chart. And also the color is showing the year-over-year volume for each industry. On the top right chart, which is a very challenging chart for me, the waterfall chart, I'm showing 3 of my KPIs, the year-over-year volume, the year-over-year market cap, and year-over-year average price. I'm talking about why this chart was challenging for me. And on the right bottom chart, I'm showing the average price, low price, and high price by trade date. Right now, you cannot see the low price and average price because no specific coin is selected, but I'm going to show you in the next slide. So here, I'm going to show how my dashboard is working. In this chart, I'm showing the market cap, and each year has a drill down to the different months, and I'm showing all the KPIs for each month for the year. And in the price year-over-year by industry chart, you can see different industries with all the KPIs for each industry. And you can see different years, how all the KPIs are changing. Now I'm going to use one of the most famous coins, which is Ethereum, and you can see that the low price, high price, and average price is changing. You can see them for each coin. And there are some insights, positive and negative insights. Regarding the negative insight, I'm using the year-over-year market cap, that in 2019, the year-over-year market cap decreased by 27.95%, which comparing to 2018, it was up 115.52%. So as noted by popular analysts, the main reason their market cap decreased in 2019 was due to miners selling off their coins, and mostly Bitcoin. Here you can see how in 2019, the year-over-year market cap was minus 27.95%, which when we compare it to 2020, in 2018, we can see that the year-over-year market cap was up 115.52%. Regarding the positive insight, I'm talking about the year-over-year price, which in 2020, the year-over-year price has an increase of 45.52%, which comparing to 2019, that the year-over-year price dropped by 43.46%. So in 2020, as the coronavirus pandemic shut down the economy, demands for buying cryptocurrencies increased that resulted to the prices going up significantly. Here you can see how in 2020, the year-over-year price is up 45.52%. And if you compare it to 2019 before COVID, you can see that the year-over-year price was down 43.46%. I have some suggestions regarding cryptocurrencies trading. One of them is that crypto market should go green. So mining cryptocurrencies uses high amount of electrical energy, which is also not environmental friendly. So I recommend that miners should go green, which means using natural sources of energy. Also, they need to use decentralized exchanges or DEX. So many people are reluctant to share their personal information, also known as KYC, to centralized entities. So I recommend using decentralized exchanges or DEX, which are blockchain-based apps that coordinate large-scale tradings of crypto assets between many users. So these exchanges doesn't offer custody of users' crypto's assets. It means that a user remains in control of their private keys. Also, another suggestion is that to move your cryptos to your wallet. So there are concerns regarding storing cryptocurrencies using centralized entities that may result in losing your asset or maybe getting your account frozen or hacked. So my recommendation is moving your asset to a cold wallet. That is one of the safest methods for holding cryptos. Cold wallets, also known as cold storage, is using offline for storing any cryptos. One of the challenges that I faced during making this project, this dashboard, was about the waterfall chart. So I thought maybe it's good to share it with you guys. Maybe you can use this chart in the future. So I searched a lot on how to show this waterfall chart. And it may not be the best solution, but this is the solution that I came up with. I had to create a table which I named category, that I'm showing my KPIs and also the order that I want these KPIs to be shown on my waterfall chart. I had to came up with a DAX for the waterfall y-axis. I have 3 variables, which are the KPIs that I'm using, and I use the switch selected value DAX. So whenever it's 1, it's going to show the first variable, which is the year-over-year market cap. Also, for the 2, I'm going to show the second variable, which is the year-over-year average price, and also this third variable, which is the year-over-year volume. So I thought it's good maybe to share this solution with you guys. That was all I had for today. Thank you everyone for your time. I hope you enjoyed.